Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values for the RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I'm taking this program in edit mode. So as usual, firstly we are declaring few variables here. So for declaring the variable, you can refer the IBM official website for the RTVSYSVAL command. There you will find all the information regarding the variable, like what should be the data type, what should be the length of variable. Okay, name you can keep anything. It is up to you. For simplification, I'm just keeping the same name as the value so that it will be easy to understand what value we are retrieving. Variable declaration is done. Now it's time to retrieve the value. So for retrieving the value, what we will do, we will write the command RTVSYSVAL, then press F4, and there you can see the screen where you are supposed to pass two values. First one is the sysval, which value you want to retrieve for the system, and second one is return variable, in which we will store the output. Okay, so to know more about this sysval command, sysval value, what we will do, we will press F1 here. So once you press F1, you will be reached to this help screen where you will find information for all the values that we can retrieve from the system. These values we are already covered in our previous sessions, so I'm directly taking you to the next value that we are going to discuss today, which is QCRTOBJAUD. It means create object auditing. This system value specifies the default object auditing value for an object created into a library or directory. Okay. Now the object auditing value determines whether an audit journal entry is sent to the system auditing journal when an object is used or changed. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. So what are the possible outcome for this value? First one is star not AVL, which means the user performing the command is not allowed to display the current auditing value. You cannot change the system value to not available. Okay. Second one is star none, which means no auditing entries are sent for the object. So in this case, auditing in entries will not get sent. Then we have star user PRF, which means auditing entries are sent if the user is currently being audited. Only in that case. Third one is star change. So auditing entries are sent if the object is changed. And last one is star all, which means auditing entries are sent if the object is used or changed. Now the second value we are going to discuss is QCTLSBSD. So from SBSD you can easily understand that it is something somewhere related about subsystem. So how it is mentioned here? It is mentioned controlling subsystem description name. Both an object name and the library name can be specified. Changes made to the system value take effect at the next IPL. Now the third one is the QCURSYM, means currency symbol. So this will just give us the currency symbol. Changes made to this system value takes effect immediately. So these are the descriptions of the command. So although it is not that much of useful nowadays, but if you want to use it, then you have some idea like what values it will return and how we will retrieve that. Okay, so this is the purpose of clearing everything in these sessions. So once you got the values description, you can copy it from here and just simply paste it in sysval field. So once you passes it in sysval field, and respectively you can pass the variable also in which you want to hold the result, and then simply hit enter. Likewise we are doing for the second value, which is QCTLSBSD, and third value Q currency symbol. So once these three lines got executed, we will retrieve the output in the respective variables. Now it's time to print the values. So for printing the values, we are using the snd-pgm-msg command. So just simply write snd-pgm-msg, then press F4, and there you can pass the variable name which you want to print. So as these variables are already of character type, so you can directly keep it as it is. Otherwise you need to be change the type, but right now we have all the values in character, so we are directly passing it. Similarly we are passing for second and third. Just write snd-pgm-msg and pass your variable. So variable declaration is done, command is executed, and also we are done with the value printing. Now it's time to compile this code and see the output. So it is compiled. Now I'm calling this. So first output we got is star not AVL. Second one is QCTLL QCS, and third one is dollar. So this is how we can utilize this RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the three information related to the auditing, subsystem description, and the currency symbol. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.